Welcome to this section on layout types in Xamarin iOS. There are quite a few to cover, the first of which we've already covered in some way, and that's the single view app. We only have one view on our screen. Then we'll look at master detail, and you've probably come across this if you've used an iPad where you have something like the Gmail app, and on one side you have a scrolling list of your emails. On the opposite side, you have the detail when you click in that scrolling list. We'll also discover how master detail works inside of smaller screens like the iPhone. Then we'll look at a tabbed app, one of which is shown in the iPhone 4S on the right here. It is a bunch of tabs that sit at the bottom that allow you to open up a new view every time you click one. Then we'll look at a page-based app, and a good example of this is the Kindle app. It provides a nice page-turning animation that makes you think you are using a real book or magazine. Finally, we'll cover the WebView app, which is only available in Xamarin.iOS, and this is sort of a hybrid of a hybrid, if you will. It allows you to use HTML and JavaScript inside of the C# environment. Now, with all of these, I'm only going to cover them very briefly, and I'm not going to go deeply into how they are used. I'm going to give you a few tips on where you should use these kind of things, but I don't want to bore you with going too deep into code before we have to. I would rather go deeper into the code later on in this course when we're actually building apps, because I feel it's a much better way and much faster way for you to learn. So let's begin looking at layout types in Xamarin.